Hello, today we are solving Jan 2026 Unit 2 IAL Edexcel paper question number 4. SmoothChange PLC assembles gearboxes apart for motor vehicles at its factory. The following information is available for week 14. Okay, there is some information about the costs involved in the assembly in assembling gearboxes. Okay, now explain two purposes of standard costing. What is the purpose of standard costing? It is the question, is the part A of the question. Explain two purposes of standard costing. How does standard costing is going to help the business? So one is it is going to help in analyzing the performance of the business, and that you have to explain. And the second one, I will be able to ensure the business makes profit. Two major advantages for the business is analyzing the performance of the business, and thereby you can make certain future decisions. Okay, and also it will ensure the business makes profit. How does it do? So first, it helps to analyze the performance of the business, because you are going to set a numerical figure for the cost of materials on the labor of production of goods or the supply of services, and those are called as standard cost. And these standard costs is going to be compared with the actual cost. Now once the actual cost happens, you will compare this actual cost with the standard cost, and thereby it will allow us to understand the performance of the business, whether business has performed well or not. Then the second one is, if you have the knowledge of standard costing of the business for the materials and the labor market, you can prepare the estimates and the quotations for the potential customers more accurately. So this would ensure a business can make profit on production and avoid making a loss. So you will prepare a lot of estimates and quotations for the customers, so you can set your selling price, you know your costs, and thereby you will set a selling price at such a point so that the business can make profits. Okay, so these are the two uses or the purposes of standard